friends, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to see exercise 20.2 class 7 R.D. Sharma. So let's see the question number 9 first. A square lawn has a 2-meter wide path surrounding it. If the area of the path is 136 meters square, find the area of the lawn. So one square lawn is given. So I have assumed let ABCD is a square lawn. Suppose ABCD is a square lawn whose length and breadth is x meter, and then PQRS be the outer boundary of the square path. PQRS will be the outer boundary, and there is a 2-meter wide path between both of them. So what we will do, we'll find out the area of this square path, find out the area of PQRS, then we'll subtract. By using that we can find out the answer. So let's see what we will do. So we will see, so lawn ABCD is x, so area will be x multiplied by x means x square. Okay, now we'll see length, and because this has been used for paths, that's how it has made. So it will be 2, it will be 2, it will be 2 plus 2. So like that it will be x plus 4, and same, this is length, the breadth will be same, x plus 2 because it's a square path, x plus 4 meter. Here unit is meter and it will be meter square. Okay, by using these we also find out the area of PQRS. So let's do it. Area of PQRS will be x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 4, or we can say x plus 4 whole square. Okay, so now you can assume it as a plus b whole square identity, and we have to expand it. So we'll use this identity. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the identity. So we are going to use the same identity. X square, at the place of a we have x. Then according to identity 2, again a at the place of a x. At the place of b it will be 4. And then plus b square means 4 square. Okay. Now we will solve it further. So it will be x square will be as it is. Here 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 4. It will be 2 4s are 2 multiplied by 4, 8x plus 4 square will be 16. So it will be the area of PQRS. Now we have to find out the area, or we have to find out the value of x. So we will use area of path. So as area of path is given, and we know that area of path will be, this area will be area of PQRS minus area of ABCD. Okay, area of PQRS minus area of ABCD. Area of ABC park ABCD was x square, and here it is given area of path is given 136. Area of PQRS is x square plus 8x plus 16 minus area of ABCD is x square. Okay, so here it will be, this is positive, this is negative, it will be cut. 136 is equal to 8x plus 16. So 136, now this is plus 16 or positive 16, so we will change the location of it. So it will be negative 16 is equal to 8x. Further we will see. So it will be 136 minus 16, 0 to 120 equals to 8x. Then this 8 will be shifted, as here it's a multiplication, so it will be divided by 120. So x is equal to 8 1s are 8, 1s are 8, 5s are 40, x is equal to 15 meters. So this value is 15 meter. Now we have to find out the area, because it is asked find the area of the lawn. So the area will be area of lawn will be, as this is the x square and 15 square. If you multiply 15 by 15, 7, 225 meter square. So that's how we will find out. I hope this is clear, guys. If you have any doubt, please write through your comments. Now we will see the next question. Length is 50 meter, breadth is 40 meter. It has 2 roads through its center running parallel to its sides. The width of the longer and shorter roads are 1.8 meter and 2.5 meter respectively. Find the area of the roads and the area of the remaining portion of the field. So I have, to better understand, I have drew it. So ABCD is Okay, so ABCD is a rectangular road where length is 50 meter and breadth is 40 meter, and is parallel to PQRS is another road where PQ is parallel to ABCD, and here KLMN is another road where KL is parallel to AD. Okay, so here I have written ABCD is a rectangular field, KLMN, PQRS are roads, EFGH is a common area. EFGH is a common area of roads KLMN and PQRS. So now what we have to do? We have to find out the area of all. AB is equal to 50 meter and breadth is equal to 40 meter. So area of ABCD will be AB into BC means 50 multiplied by 40 means 2000 meter square. Okay, this is the area of whole this rectangular field. Now we will so area of road, first we will see PQRS. So it will be PQ multiplied by PS. So PQ is actually it's parallel to AB, so it will be 50, and PS is given because width is 1.8 meter. So it will be 90 meter square. Okay. Now we will see the, here I am writing, area of another road which is KLMN, area of road KLMN, which will be equals to KL multiplied by LM. KL multiplied by LM. Actually KL is parallel to AD, or we can say BC, so it's 40, and LM is given 2.5 meter. So it will be 100 meter square. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the area of this. So as you know, this is like this is 2.5 meter and this is 1.8, so we can easily find out the area of common part. FGH will be equals to EH multiplied by EF. EH is 1.8 meter and EF is 2.5, so it will be 4.5 meter. If you will calculate, it will get 4.5 meter square. 5 8s are 40, 4, 5 1s are 5, 4, 9, 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 1s are 2, 3, 0, 9 plus 6, 13. So 9 plus 6, 15, 4, there are 2 decimals, it will come here. So how it has come, 4.5. Okay, so it will be 4.5 meter square. Now we got the area of ABCD, area of this road, area of this road, area of this road. So what we have to do, first find the area of the road. So area of the roads will be, area of the roads will be area of PQRS plus area of KLMN and minus, we will keep it in a bracket, or I will write KLMN here, KLMN and minus area of EFGH, which is common part. So area of EFGH. Okay, so if you will add both the areas and subtract the common areas, you will be able to find out the area of both the roads. So area of PQR is 90 meters square. So area of the roads is 4.5. So it will be 190 minus 4.5. 190 minus 4.5. So let's see. 5, because it will be 10, it will be 9, it will be 8. So 9 minus 4, 5, 8, 1. So it will be 185.5 meter square. Now we got the area of the roads, which is 1.85 meter square. Now we have to find out the area of the remaining portion, means left, which was 2000 meter square. Okay, so area of remaining portion will be area of ABCD minus area of road. Okay, so area of the roads is 185.5. So area of ABCD is 2000 minus area of roads 185.5. So we will subtract 185.5, 10, 9, 9, 9, 1. 5, 4, 1, 8, 1. So it will be 1814.5 meter square. This will be your answer. I hope this is clear, guys. Now we will see the next question, question number 15. Welcome back. So now we will see question number 15. So question is, the length and breadth of a rectangular park are in the ratio of 5:2. A 2.5 meter wide path running all around the outside the park has an area 305 meters square or 305 meters square. Find the dimensions of the park. So there is a rectangular park, suppose that is ABCD, and it's in length and breadth in 5:2. So suppose length is 5x and breadth is 2x. Now all around this there is a 2.5 meter wide path. Okay, so here also it's 2.5, here also it's 2.5. Okay, so let's first see the area of ABCD. So let ABCD is a rectangular park. Length is equal to 5x and breadth is equal to 2x. This is all let. Okay, so area of ABCD will be 5x multiplied by 2x means 5 2 is 10, 10x square. Okay, so this rectangular park's area will be 10x square. Now PQRS is a surrounding of path. Okay, so length PQ will be, this PQ will be till here it is 5x and here 2.5 plus 2.5. So we will say 5x plus 2.5 plus 2.5 means 5x plus 2.5, 2.5 if you add you will get 5. So it will be 5 meter. Okay, now breadth, suppose PS we take, PS is equal to, again here till here it will be 2x till here and here it will be 2.5 because this is the width of the path. So 2x plus 2.5 plus 2.5, again it will be 2x plus 5 meter. Okay, so we will find out the area. Area of ABCD was 5 multiplied by 10, 10x square. I will write it here. Okay, now so area of PQRS is equal to PQ multiplied by PS means 5x plus 5 multiplied by 2x plus 5. Okay, here when you have to multiply like this, first you will take the first term, okay, and it will be multiplied by both the next terms like this. Okay, so first we will multiply 5x by 2x and 5. So 5x multiplied by 2x will be 5 2 is 10x square, then plus 5 multiplied by 5 will give you 25, x is here, then plus 5 will be multiplied by here 2x, it will be 10x, and here it will be 25. Okay, like this we will multiply. This first term of this box will be multiplied by both the terms of the next bracket, and then the second term again will be multiplied with the both the terms of the second bracket. So it will be 10x square plus 25x plus 10x will be added because both are positive, plus 25. So this will be the area of PQRS. Now we found the area of PQRS, we found the area of ABCD. Now we'll find out the area of path. Area of PQRS minus area of ABCD. Now area of path is given 305. So we will use that. Area of PQRS, it's here 10x square plus 35x plus 25, and area of ABCD is 10x square. So this is again 10, so this is positive, this is negative, it will be cut. So it will be 305 equals to 35x plus 25. Further if you will do it, so it will be 305 minus 25 equals to 35x. 305 minus 25, let's see, 5 minus 5 0, 10 minus 2 8, 280 equals to 35x. Now this 35 will be shifted here, so as it's in a multiplication, so it will be divided. So 280 divided by 35 equals to x, and when you will divide, you will get x is equal to 8. You can check it out. It's 8 meter square. Okay, so this is the value of x. Now we know length is 5x and breadth is 2x, so we will just multiply it and we'll find out the length and breadth, because we have to find out the dimensions only. Okay, so length 5x is equal to 5 multiplied by 8 means 40 meter, and breadth 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by 8 means 16 meter. I hope it's clear. If you have any doubt, please write, so I'll be able to understand where I am doing mistake or where you are not able to understand. Okay, so it's really must to communicate through your comments. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching, guys.